gonna show you that if you give yourself a shorter amount of time and you try to like beat the clock, that's exactly how long a task will take.
It's time for How Long Does It Actually Take? With your host, Cassandra Arson.
Welcome to How Long Does It Actually Take? The game where we guess how long a chore takes and we try to do it as quickly as possible. Play along and win big prizes like a clean and tidy kitchen, spotless windows, and so much more. Who's ready to play?
How long does it actually take?
This one's gonna be weird, but it's gonna be fun. Here are the rules to play. You need to pick one chore and then guess how long you think it's going to take. And try to guess as short as possible. Like every minute is one strike. So you wanna have the least amount of minutes possible to win, but you can't go over your guess. So don't guess like 5 minutes, and then if it takes you 7, wah, wah, you lose. Are you ready? We're gonna start with the dishes. I'm starting with the dishes, and truthfully, I have a lot. So I'm gonna empty the dishwasher and load it, and I have a couple pots and pans to wash. I would say this is probably like 15 or 20 minutes, but I wanna win, man. So I'm guessing I can do it in 8 minutes. I'm gonna start my stopwatch right now. Fast. Take a minute, breath. I'll work it. How long does it take? How long does it take? And time! 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Man, I thought 15 to 20 minutes, and then I was like guessing it would be 8, but like when I'm hauling, 3 minutes. That's only 3 points. Did I beat you? It's time for a bonus game with 2 random contestants from the audience, Mara and Emily. Mara and Emily, I'm gonna ask you a question. If you know the answer, press your buzzer as quickly as possible, and if you get it right, you win an amazing prize. Are you ready? What's the name of the law that states that tasks will always take the amount of time that you dedicate to them? Mara.
Parkinson's law.
That is correct! Mara, you have won 30 days of me not making you be on a random YouTube video without telling you first. Better luck next time, Emily. Okay, so basically Parkinson's law is that if you think something's gonna take 20 minutes and that's how much time you give yourself, it will take 20 minutes. If you think something's gonna take forever, it'll take forever. So today we are going to beat Parkinson's law with actual proof. I'm gonna show you that if you give yourself a shorter amount of time and you try to like beat the clock, that's exactly how long a task will take. So we don't have to procrastinate anymore. We have 10 chores that we're gonna do together and see how long it actually takes. And hopefully you can beat my time. Are you ready for round 2? Let's go. For this round, we are dusting. This is gonna be my favorite because I know a shortcut to dusting, which is using a Swiffer duster. If I was to get a spray or a rag and actually wet dust, this would probably be like 10 to 15 minutes for one room. But with a Swiffer duster, I'm gonna challenge myself to just 2 minutes. Because guess what? You don't have to move stuff. Because how's the dust getting underneath? It's not. Mahaha. Let's go. 2 minutes. Down to the legs. Don't forget the legs. Don't forget the legs. I should start high. What am I doing? Start high. Oh, there's cobwebs. That's a little cobwebby. Don't forget your lights. Don't forget your tickle. Hello. Crevices. And then crevice. It's pumpkin. You're naughty. Shh. Stop it. All right. Oh, no. Okay. I forgot the timer's going. Oh! Your face. 1 minute, 40 seconds. Dust. I got carried away. Woo! Dusting was such a huge win. Why are we putting off something that literally takes 1 minute and 40 seconds? Like, This is the trick. If something like you're putting off doing, the trick is to shrink the amount of time that you give yourself to do the task. This is called time boxing, and it actually will shrink the amount of time it takes to do the task. That's what Parkinson's law is all about. The video today is to prove this to you with the 3 P's. The first P is the problem, which is procrastination most of the time. Like, we just don't want to do the thing. The principle is the Parkinson's law, which means we are actually going to take as long as we give ourselves. So if you say it's going to take all day Saturday to clean your house, it will literally take all day Saturday. But if you tell yourself you can do it in 2 hours, that's all it's going to take. And the third P is promise. This is my promise to you. I'm going to show you with proof throughout this video that if you shrink the amount of time that you have to do a task, you can still get it done just as efficiently in that smaller amount of time. You got to bring a P though too, which is participation. Like, actually try this, do the thing, body double along with me while we move from space to space. So let's go. In this round, we are actually putting Parkinson's law to the test. I have so much laundry. I have been procrastinating and I've been busy with fire calls, and this is like my whole family's that has to be sorted and put away, and it's crazy pants. They'll put their own away, but I have to sort. My point is, I only have 17 minutes until my live starts, which only gives me 16 minutes to put away this laundry. Usually I would say literally a half an hour, but let's see if we can do it in 16 minutes. Let's go. Make it a Joe pile, make it an Abby pile, make it a Milo pile. It's inside out. Be able to get some socks paired. Let's have real talk for a second. I'm only at 7 minutes and I've sorted everybody's clothes. Not only that, I have a few minutes now to match socks. I legit thought this would be at least a half an hour. I mean, I know it's not that long, but again, my brain hates it so much that it exaggerates the amount of time. And this is normal. So Parkinson's law. I give myself a shorter amount of time, and like magic, I don't need as much time. Life-changingly crazy. You're gonna dedicate a few seconds to socks, and then let's see where we are. It's like my own personal hell. So I'm not 9 minutes. I'm gonna give myself 2 more minutes of sock matching. Slow is fast and fast is slow. That's not the word. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. I could just wear mismatched socks, but I just can't. 12 minutes and 49 seconds. Now, I didn't put away Joe's. I didn't put away my kids. They're going to put away their own. I'm going to quickly put away the towels, which will probably be like 1 minute. All mine is away. Everything's sorted. And I even paired some socks. Winning at life. I'm going to say 15 minutes once I do these other things, but I'm still under, and I'm shocked at how fast this went. You got to give this a try. Set your timer. Let's go. In this round, we are cleaning out the fridge. I haven't done it in a really long time. And to be real, I probably should wipe out all the trays, like the bottom drawers and every shelf. I would usually say this would be like an hour, I guess. Like, this is why I procrastinated, but I think I can do this in 10 minutes. Are you ready? Let's start the stopwatch. How long will it take? How long does it take? How long? Oh my god, I said 10 minutes. I'm so gonna be over. There's no way. I'm gonna lose this round. Go, Cass, go. Brand of butter? That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, no, just wipe the cap. This chili is older. 5 minute breath. Out of shape. Gotta work out. You got this, you got this. Do not lose today. And time! I have lost this round. It is in fact longer than 10 minutes to clean a fridge. It took me 12 minutes, like 11:46, so I am a big fat loser. How did you do? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments below. It's mopping time. I'm gonna mop this entire basement that hasn't been mopped in weeks, perhaps months. And I'm going to use my handy dandy spray mop. If your floors are like really, really dirty, use a mop and bucket first, but then a spray mop is going to literally save you hours and hours and hours when you're mopping. So let's see, the entire basement, which means the living room, the offices, and the gym, I think is going to take 9 minutes. 9 minutes, that could be optimistic. Mopping, Mr. Cobweb's back there maybe. And probably should have vacuumed first. Go fast, cats, go fast. Now I'm gonna have to walk in lay. I mean, ADHD is real. Get a workout. Okay. Am I good? And what? Read it and weep. Read it and weep. That's actually, I mean, I didn't do the greatest mopping job, but I got all the goo. 4 minutes to mop the entire basement. Wait, you do. I'm out of breath. In this round, we're cleaning the bathroom. And this is a pretty big, humongous bathroom. So, you know, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna clean like mirrors and toilets and the glass shower, which is the bane of my existence. I'm going to say that this bathroom will take me 12 minutes to deep clean. Let's see. Let's go. Start with spray and walk away, which is like all the gross stuff. You spray it, you let it do its thing, and it's gross. Then you just walk away, and it eats the soap scum and the gross stuff, so you can carry on with stuff. Don't mix bleach with ammonia, you die. Don't look like the dusting of your bathroom needs to be done. So clean, so fresh, so clean. Where's my... I'm done. 8 minutes and 21 seconds. In this round, we're washing windows, which is usually like a huge crazy job, and I procrastinate it, but it's fall, and the windows are filthy. It has to be done. I'm just gonna do the front windows, and I would usually think this would take like 45 minutes, but I'm gonna try to do it in 17. That might be optimistic. All right, are you ready? Let's go. And we start with a rinse. Scrubbing. Oh, they're so sparkly. Oh, he's in a meeting. Joe's apparently in a meeting. That's Joe's office window. So I paused it at 5 minutes. We had 3 windows in 5 minutes. Pretty amazing. We're actually gonna move around maybe to the back and do some of the back windows and see how many I can get done in 17 minutes. These are so dirty. Ooh, yucky. Ooh, yucky. Cleanish. You wanna know what's crazy? I did all the windows that I could reach anyways, and it was only 11 minutes. 11 minutes? I feel like, why do I put this off? Why do you put this off? Test the Parkinson's law and try cleaning your windows today. In this round, we are doing meal prep, and we have Joe because this is actually his job in our house. Every week, he preps all of our lunches for our family of 5 for the week. How long do you think this will take?
20 minutes. I can do it in 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay. On your mark, get set, go.
What you doing, friend?
Helping?
Oh.
You're so helpful. Go, Joe, go!
I'm going. I'm really not worried about this.
fine. We're done.
No.
You doing something else?
No.
7 seconds remaining. I mean, we have to put the lids on, but that's fine. You prepped the food.
Okay.
High five.
It's hard to see, but I don't think you can say that on TV.
This isn't TV, it's YouTube. I can say what I want. Woo! Good job, Joe!
Look at them.
We
You
made it.
doubted me.
I did doubt you. This is a win in the cast column.
It's an entire fridge full of food.
Thank you.
Ready to
So exciting. 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So much food.
Winning at life. High five again. Yes. In this round, we're going to see how long it actually takes to change the sheets. And I'm including the duvet because cramming my duvet cover in here is a nightmare. I should change the sheets more often, but I don't because I'm lazy and my brain says this takes a long time. I know it probably doesn't. I'm going with 6 minutes. You ready? And go. How long does it actually take? Ryan's putting up pillow. Big giant pillow in a tiny cake. Big giant pillow. Okay, yeah, come on, get it together. Okay, duvet cover. Check. So many buttons. So many buttons. Duvets are stupid. Why are you the worst thing that's ever been invented? Who was like, oh, let's put a sheet on top of a blanket. A blanket in a blanket. It's a blanket with a freaking case blanket. A blanket that has a house for it. Dumb. Who invented this? And it's always lumpy. I'm out of breath. My niece has some throw pillows. No freaking reason. For some reason, just throw on the floor. Make it make sense. And time! I am winded. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. I will say that took way longer than it should have. Just making beds like 3 minutes, that's obnoxious, but it's done. So that's a win. Unless I said 7. Did I say 7? Oh God, if I said 7.
I don't remember what you said.
Beep. Emily just checked, I said 6 minutes. ADHD time blindness is real thing, apparently. What the? How gross is the inside of your car? Mine's not too bad actually, but I do procrastinate cleaning it out. There's like juice and spilled things and coffee. How long do you think it's gonna take to clean out the inside of your car? Like clean it, wipe it. I would normally say 15 minutes, but again, we're testing Parkinson's law, so 7 minutes? No, 5 minutes. Let's see. Start with trash.
Why you got so much garbage in here?
A little mini skateboard, because of course. There is way more trash than I thought. Looking pretty good. It's clean. Almost. Get it, girl. And time. 4 minutes. Winning at life. That feels good. I feel like, why do I wait to do things like this? 4 minutes to clean the car. Congratulations on your big win today, which was accomplishing something that you've been procrastinating in way less time. Let me know in the comments below what you got done. And literally, the moral of the story for this video is it takes less time than you think.
Thanks for playing. How long does this actually take? Join us next time for your chance to win a clean and tidy home.
Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. You know what one of my favorite things to do is it's listening to like crime stories while people do regular things like get ready or put on their makeup. And so I thought it would be so fun, like I love true crime, to do a true crime video called Clutter Horror Stories. I am sharing horrible things that I found in my own home and other people and with clients and some weird stuff from the internet. It's going to be awesome. Just in time for Halloween. I would love to know your clutter horror stories too, so make sure you put them in the comments below. Please don't make them like sad though and graphic with like dismemberment. Just like keep it light and fluffy. Keep it light and fluffy, friends. All right, I'm excited. You're excited.